Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 16th of September 2014. The trade for the day is called Steinhoff. Code is SHF, and last traded price was 54.50. Action is to sell it short from a high to a low level. Entry of expectation will be about 53.76 on the dotted blue line, and the target will be 51.52. Stop loss to be used is 54.88. Current open trades at this time is called Sanlam and MTN. As you can see, yesterday two shares were kicked out on complete trades, was Billiton and Grindrod on the 15th of September on both of these here. Looking at the top 40 index, that's on the JSE. The blue line is the index movement, currently touching the 5-day moving average, and the 20-day moving average is just above it. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, they closed Monday evening 43 points stronger on a level of 17,031 points. Please take note, I've added a blue Fibonacci on the price, a red Fibonacci on the price. And as you can see, this level of 16,969 points is the current support level. At any time, if it breaks that level, we could see more downside in the markets, on the Dow Jones and the US markets. Currently testing it very closely. It did test it, trading now on 17,031 points. So it did move up. Currently the future is about 8 points negative. Japan was closed due to the weather that was quite bad, but they reopened immediately after that as well. Markets are very flat as we speak. Looking at the J200, the top 40 on the JSE was pulled up yesterday by Anglo as well as SA Breweries. There's a takeover possibility on SA Breweries, and that led the share to go almost up 60 Rand. Anglo also went up. At a stage they were about 10 Rand up, and they closed 2% positive for the day. Most of the 21 of the 40 shares on the top 40 was down, and that gave the market a bit of a lift up, close to the level of 45,800. Tested and now trading yet close to the 46,000 levels. Looking at Shoprite, Shoprite still underneath this middle Bollinger Band on the green side, and keeping a bit down, coming close to the green on Bollinger Band, but no breakups as yet. Mr. Price sideways under the previous highest levels of last week. Woolies stabilizing close to the 72 Rand levels at this time, broken at 73 Rand 18, and still in a downward pattern as we speak. Looking at MTN, losing a lot of value still, trading underneath the 250 Rand level, currently trading at 247 Rand. Expectations, look at this beautiful pattern that could play out. Need to track it closely. Leg, shoulder, head. We need to see if this 244 could be the next low, and a shoulder pattern can start following them. Vodacom also starting to break out down. Broke the previous low here of about 129, 128, and currently testing the level of 128 as we speak. Also a type of a head and shoulder pattern playing out here. Looking at your banking shares, Barclays still losing a lot of value, and currently testing this 160 levels, 162 levels as we speak. Standard Bank also lost a lot of value. Now we need to take note, MPC meeting is due on Thursday at 3:15. We will know the announcement of the Reserve Bank. Future closeout will happen as well on Thursday. So let's see what the market brings up, especially the job figures are also due on Thursday. Looking at Imperial, also came down There's a low, there's a high currently on this low here. If this one needs to recover, it needs to break this 184 rand level first if you want to see a bounce up happening back to the 189. Currently trading at 181. Current low to be tracked is about 178 rand 68. So let's track this market. It's a lot of volatility. Just two big movers yesterday, Anglo and SAB Broderies. Let's go and look at Anglo just to have an indication here. This was the big downfall, starting to pick up here. Big question, if we draw up a Fibonacci from year to year to the highest high, trading still under the 61.8 day moving average, Fibonacci. Still going down. Indicator started to lift, but it needs to break this averages if you want to really see a big movement going up. Consensus, put it on a weekly chart, and you will see weekly chart is saying this 151 is going to be a very important level to be tested, and we need to see if it can actually break up. Another indication that I will do on this specific share is to add a 21 day moving average, 89 day and a 200 day moving average, just to see where the channel currently is. And as I can see, it's far, the share price is still far from the purple line, that's the 200 days, and the green line and the red line. So let's see what this one can offer us, and enjoy the trading. Have a chat with you tomorrow.